Hey guys, Coach Marcus Jones here, Las Vegas, Nevada. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are growing. Thank you. This is currently a small YouTube channel, but it's going to be big. So I want to get right into it. This is my third video in the MLM or network marketing video series I'm doing. This business model is amazing, and it's simply word of mouth advertising and word of mouth sharing, word of mouth marketing. People do every day. Don't get paid for it. People are always sharing things they like and believe in, like restaurants, okay, grocery stores, whatever, movies, sharing that stuff with people they know but don't get paid. We simply show people how to get paid. So let me get right to it. So most people join MLM and immediately start guessing. They don't know what to do daily. They don't know what income producing activity actually means. Today, I'm going to show you what a real business building system looks like in motion. I've done it. That's why I can teach it. Okay. That's how I ended up on that magazine cover from a home based business magazine because I made over $1 million, okay, within the past few years. It's amazing. So a system isn't motivation, it's a daily method of operation. Systems don't care about your feelings. Follow the system, you will be successful. Now, first point, every system starts with a simple daily activity target. A real system answers this question: what do I do today? Here's some examples. Number of new conversations started with people. It can be in person, it could be via text message, it could be on social media, whatever you feel comfortable doing. Number of product exposures. How many people did you expose your company's products to? Coffee, tea, weight loss products, whatever it is. Number of follow ups. The people you had conversations with, the people you exposed the products to, the pay plan to, how many people did you follow up with? Number of invites sent. How many people have you invited to get the information about the pay plan, the compensation plan, the money, the products? You can measure those. So if there are no numbers, guess what? There's no accountability, and clarity in the system removes overwhelm. Very simple system to follow. Number two, exposure is the engine, right? That puts gas on the fire. The system must revolve around exposure, not convincing. We don't convince anyone in this business model. We simply share information and expose people to the information. They can make a decision. So you don't sell, you expose. For me, I drink coffee. I promote a healthy, organic, smart coffee. I expose people to a healthy, organic, smart coffee that's better than all the coffee brands on the market. Some people want to buy it, some people don't. I simply expose, I don't sell. So an exposure can be this: sending a product video or a product sample. It could be inviting people to a Zoom. Okay, it could be sending a short presentation about the product or about the opportunity. The system should make exposure easy and duplicatable. That's how you're going to win. Number three, follow up is where income is made. Okay, most people fail here. Most people fail at the follow up stage. You want to ask this question: is there a follow up schedule? Like after you share the information, do you wait 24 hours to follow up? Do you wait 48 hours? Do you wait 3 days? What's your follow up schedule? Is there language provided, like a script to follow up? Is follow up taught as a skill? That's important. That's one of the basic seven network marketing core skills is following up. The fortune, I'm telling you guys, is in the follow up, but it only if it's systematic, right? It has to be a system. Number four, getting people started the right way. That's important. That's one of the core network marketing skills is getting people started. This is where duplication begins, right? You start seeing your team grow and you start making more money, guys. It's an amazing thing once duplication happens. But a strong system includes a 24 to 48 hour onboarding plan, a first 5 contacts activity. We have a way of doing it: hot market, warm market, social media, cold market, a launch strategy. Let me give you a tip. Amateurs start an online business. Professionals launch. 2 weeks out, a month out, you launch. Okay. A fast start training call. We have it every Wednesday. If a new rep sits around learning for weeks, momentum dies. They got to get in action fast. Momentum is greater than perfection. It's important to take action. It doesn't have to be perfect. You'll make mistakes, but you'd rather move forward as opposed to memorize everything and learn everything before taking action. You don't have to be perfect. Number 5, events and education plugged into the system. So the system should include weekly trainings, monthly opportunity calls or weekly opportunity calls, and monthly events. But events should support the system, not replace it. Okay, the events simply reinforce the system. If the only growth comes from big events, that's fragile. That's not sustainable. Number 6, the system should reduce fear. Okay, a good system removes guesswork so people aren't confused, removes script memorization stress. People don't want to have to memorize a script. Copy paste is good. You can read the script. I have a script right there. I read it. Okay. And also, a good system gives new reps confidence, which is important. People don't quit. Look at my notes, because they're incapable. The reason people quit is because they feel lost. They just don't know what to do. So structure creates confidence. Always remember that. Number 7, ask this. If you disappear for 30 days, think about this. You joined a network marketing company. Okay. If you disappear for 30 days, would your team still grow? If the answer is no, you don't have a system, you have control. Your employee. That's the job. So you don't build MLM by doing more work. You build a multi-level marketing business by teaching simple things most people can do and repeat. That's why it's important to teach people, to teach people, to teach people. Simple as that. So here's a checklist I want you guys to have. For those of you who are looking at joining the multi-level marketing industry, also known as network marketing profession, as I call it, or you're someone who's looking to join another company or a different company, here's a quick checklist. Is there a system? And are daily activities clearly defined? Is exposure simple and repeatable? Is follow-up structured? Is onboarding fast and clear? And does a system create independence? So you don't have to rely on your sponsor to be there for you all the time. So remember this, guys. Systems build leverage. Leverage builds freedom. Leverage income is wonderful, guys. You can be asleep getting paid. You can be commuting to your job, going to work, and getting paid from your network marketing business. You can be working out at the gym, getting paid from leverage. And guess what? Freedom is the goal. Time freedom, financial freedom, that is the goal. So thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Help me grow this into a big YouTube channel and let people know about it. And as always, guys, remember this. God does not want you sick. God does not want you broke. He wants you healthy. He wants you rich. He wants you wealthy. He wants you free. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye.